1. Soak your feet for 10 minutes in warm water, then dry thoroughly. Before you attempt to cut your thick toenails, you should soften them by soaking them in warm water for at least 10 minutes. When you're finished, dry your feet completely, including between your toes. 2. Trim your toenails using nail nippers. Nail clippers are what we typically associate with trimming nails, but these are usually not strong enough to cut through thick toenails. Use nail nippers instead. Nail nippers have a handle that is longer and easier to grip than regular nail clippers, and they are designed to cut toenails straight across. 3. Use small cuts and go straight across the nail. Small cuts help avoid splintering, which can be a problem with thick nails. As you're trimming, cut straight across your nail. Don't round the corners, as this can increase your risk for ingrown toenails. 4. Take care not to cut yourself, especially if you have poor circulation. Conditions like diabetes, which cause thickened toenails, may also cause you to have poor circulation. This can result in reduced sensation in your feet, meaning you might not notice right away if you cut yourself. Untreated cuts can lead to infections and serious health complications, so be sure to pay close attention while you're trimming your toenails. 5. Gently file the edges of your toenails with an emery board or nail file. After you've trimmed your toenails, carefully use an emery board or nail file to smooth any sharp edges that might get caught on your socks.